Intro. Hey, it's Rob from Milwaukee Bikers. I'm here with Naomi, the one and only. She's not a bunny this season though. She's been upgraded. No longer a bunny. Let's see what she is. The big reveal. She is a panda bear. Awesome. Well, you know what? Here we are at the Harley Davidson Museum. It is May 4th. It is the first bike night of the season 2023. It's warm enough for us to ride, so here we are. Almost warm enough to ride. Unfortunately, I think we can. Shopping. Oh, look at that. I like that a lot. Gonna eat dinner at the motor. This place is so cool. Motorcycles, stuff made out of motorcycle parts, stuff, all motorcycle stuff.
Are you ready to go?
I think so. It's dark out, cold. She's got stuff and leftover food.
New shirt.
New shirt. She's looking fancy.